Okay, one of the internet's most popular, budget-friendly DIY clear coat versus the AmTech. Which one?
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
All right, your boy Trigger Man back in the lab. And today, what we have here. Today we're gonna be playing around with some different clear. I have some parts already based out, some Toyota parts. Parts are based, but what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna play around with some clear. There's two clears that a lot of guys have been asking me about if I wanna try it. I didn't wanna try it. I don't wanna try it. But after so many people asked, I just can't deny it. So here we are, okay? We're gonna go up against my normal AmTech clear, the AmTech that I use. And the other clear, I tried one of them, okay? I was able to get my hands on one of them. The other one I'm still working on. But we're gonna clear these parts, and that's what we're gonna do. You guys are gonna watch me. I'm gonna pour it straight from the can into the mixing cup and go. So you know there's no foolery, no fuckery. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna mask up, mix up some clear, and we're gonna get to it. Okay, so you guys wanted to know what I thought about this clear. Sorry, I thought the GoPro was aimed up a little bit higher than it was. But for the little bit of the can that you can see there, as well as the can of activator there, this is the Speedo Coat SMR 1150 high performance acrylic clear coat. Okay, so it was this clear as well as the Sherwin-Williams Finish 1, I think it was. See, high performance clear. That's what we're spraying here first, okay? So I was able to get some of this from a subscriber that's nearby. He came and brought me over some. So I'm using these same settings. I'm gonna set my LPH to the same settings for all applications, okay? Fair enough? Okay, 4 turns out from closed on the fluid. The fan has 1 turn in from wide open. And that's what we're doing. 2 coats of each. I'm gonna apply the Speedo coat to the bumper and my normal AmTech clear to the fender. So again, both of these clear coats, man, I've gotten so many messages about this clear, this and the Finish 1, I think it's called. I didn't want to really play around with these clears, but I'm going to entertain it for you guys, okay? And I mean dozens upon dozens, probably hundreds, probably 100 messages. Everyone wants to see this clear. And when I checked into it, I can see why. The price, 79 bucks, $80, you got a gallon of clear. And as you can see, it's shiny. No problem. Some of you budget guys, it makes complete sense. Your ride is looking like death. Hey, this is gonna get you a little shine. Might not be for a long time, but it will get you a little shine, And I get it. A lot of guys out here playing around with these cheap Rust-Oleums and see AmTech on the canister. Yeah, a lot of you guys out here playing with this cheap stuff. So I get it. It works. It shines. Okay. I really have nothing negative to say about the clear. Only thing I will say is that keep in mind it is an acrylic clear, which it's not going to have as much UV protectant as a urethane clear coat will have. Even though it says on there acrylic urethane, I mean it's an acrylic clear coat. And they're known to shine. That's what they do. They shine. They really do shine good. Some of you guys who may have girlfriends or a wife, you may know that when your girlfriend or your wife gets her nails done, the clear coat they put on women's nails, that's acrylic. And it shines. They walk out of those nail salons, nails shining. It's acrylic. You know, there's no way around it. That's what it is, you know. And urethane clear is known to last a lot longer. It has more UV protection. So, you know, just keep that in mind when you're spraying it. And again, for most people, for what you're doing, your own little car, or you're doing maybe some car lot work, little bit buy here, pay here, whatever car lots, and you're just trying to get a couple bucks in, it's cool, no problem. Hey Google, which has more UV protection, acrylic clear coat or urethane clear coat?
According to Maintenance One, durability and wear. While it's often used for interior projects, it's less favored for high traffic or outdoor applications. On the other hand, urethane offers superior durability and is highly resistant to physical abrasion, UV rays, and moisture.
Okay, not saying that Google knows everything, but a lot of this stuff is just a simple Google search. You know, it doesn't have to be Trigger Man telling you. You know, you can just Google some of this stuff and it's right there, you know. So I'm not here to put a thumbs down on the clear coat, just to make you aware of what it is, you know. Some of you guys spend a lot of money on getting your car up into the point to where it's ready to clear. So you may not want to put a clear that may not last as long or have as much protection as putting a more quality clear. But again, you know, I'm just trying out the clear. The clear does shine. There's nothing wrong with it. It shines good. It will fit probably 90% of you guys' needs with no problem, you know. But for the guys who may go and spend a good amount of money on their materials, you might be trying with some candies or some color shifts, and you might want something that's a little more durable. So just something to keep in mind. All right, we got it done. This is what we're looking like. This is the AmTech Clear. This is the AmTech, 2 coats of AmTech. And then here goes the High Performance Clear. I'm not sure what you guys see, but a little peel in this one, but not too bad, you know, not bad for some guys that just want a little shine for cheap. So that's what we're looking like. So we're gonna take it outside in the sun, get another look and see what we got. All right, so that's what we're looking like outside. This is the AmTech Clear. Okay. And now we have the High Performance Clear. Try to get it from the side so you guys can actually see the texture in both panels. So that's what we're looking like. Clear is okay. It does the job. It gets you some shine. If that's what you're looking for, you know. It'll get you some shine. Again, the both of them, see side by side here. Both of them side by side. And that's it. That's what we got. So it shines. That's all I can say. All right. So for you guys that wanted to know, that kept asking me about the clear, there's a clear. So one more to go. But anyway, at the end of the day, just remember, it's only a spray gun. Now go have fun. Okay, so that's what it is, man. Don't shoot the messenger. I'm just telling you the facts. I put up a post a week ago about different clears, acrylic, and a couple guys got in their feelings. I used that at a high-end shop and it worked fine. Hey, good for you. But I'm telling you facts. I don't care about your feelings. So it's facts over feelings here. And everything I have said, it always comes back around once someone verifies it on a big channel in a fancy paint booth. Once they say it, it's solidified for you guys. But I know what it is. So, hey, just remember.
Urethane offers superior durability and is highly resistant to physical abrasion, UV rays, and moisture.
And for those of you who still have doubts,
Urethane offers superior durability and is highly resistant to physical abrasion, UV rays, and moisture.
Trigger man. Yeah, I've seen those comments when those guys be like, yeah, they said it on this channel, so yeah, Trigger man's right. Yeah, they said it on that channel, so yeah, he's right. Yeah, they always gotta get verification from a big channel. But I know one thing that they really need to verify.
what's that, Trigger Troll? What do they really need to verify?
They need to verify these nuts.